there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play as piano accompaniment Die With A Smile by Bruno Mars and Lady Gaga. I've left my other Bruno Mars and Lady Gaga piano tutorials in the description as well, so go and check those out, as well as where you can find the full chords and lyrics to this song. I'll just do the odd bit of singing just as a reference point. So let's dive in. So this one's in the key of A major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of A major. So these are the notes we are mostly working with. So here is middle C as a reference, just so you can see where I've put my camera. I'll teach both hands at the same time mostly, so on the screen the left hand will be blue and the right hand will be colour-coded orange. So we'll start with the intro, and this also makes up the verses as well. The first chord is A major 7. So in the left hand we're going to play A and E. In the right hand we're going to play G sharp, C sharp and E. And we're going to play that 4 times. Obviously it's strummed on an electric guitar, but I'm just going to play it on the beat like this. So you do that 4 times, and then we come to D major 7. So in the left hand we're going to play D and A. You can play it here if you want to. I'm going to play it low down. In the right hand we're going to play A, C sharp and F sharp, and same thing again 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we continue that 2 more times for the verse. So from the intro, you and I had to say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means, but since I survived I realized. So then we're into the pre-chorus, so we stay on that D major 7. Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Then it's back to that A major 7 again. And now we have a different chord, so it's C sharp minor 7. So I'm going to play octaves in the left hand. You can play C sharp and G sharp if you want to, but I'm going to play 2 C sharps. Then in the right hand I'm going to play G sharp, B and E 4 times. So I'ma love you every night, I kissed her last night, I kissed her last night. Okay, so that bit, we have an F sharp sus 4. So in the left hand I'm going to play F sharp and C sharp. In the right hand, so an F sharp sus 4 is F sharp, B, C sharp, but I'm going to play it in this inversion, so B, C sharp and F sharp. So first inversion, I'm gonna go last night, like it's the last night. So in the last chord we turn the B to the A sharp. So it's like F sharp sus 4 into F sharp major. So if I just demonstrate this pre-chorus. Since I survived I realized, wherever you go that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. And now into the chorus. We have B minor 7. So in the left hand I'm going to play B's, octave B's. In the right hand I'm going to play A, D and F sharp. Again, just playing it on the beat. If the world was ending. So just playing it twice. And then we're going to move the left hand to E's, and the right hand stays the same. So this chord is D major, second inversion. So this makes D over E. I wanna be next to, into that C sharp minor 7 chord again that we had. You. And then that goes into F sharp minor. So F sharp and C sharp in the left hand, and then F sharp, A and C sharp in the right hand. And then we repeat that chord progression again, those 4 chords again. If the world was B minor 7 again. Hold you just for a while. Into D, E. And then this next bit, we've got a quicker succession of chords. So I'll play it first. And die with a smile. So that bit goes A major. So A is in the left hand, and A, C sharp and E. And then E over G sharp, so G sharp's in the left hand, in the right hand that's G sharp, B and E, into F sharp minor, like we've had before. So, and die with a smile. And the next bit, it's the B minor 7 into the D over E again. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next. And it's just once there. I'd wanna be next to you. Into this again. So for the chorus, we have this prominent bass part. So basically, it's anytime we have an F sharp minor that goes back into the B minor 7 chord, we go F sharp, G sharp, A, and then B. So I'll just demonstrate that. Hi there, just quickly before we continue, let me know if you're enjoying this video and how you're getting on with learning this lesson so far in the comment section below. I love chatting to you all. Please give the like button a press. Make sure that you are subscribed so I can keep on making these free tutorials for you. Hit bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you're interested in learning how to read music, I have an entire book, and that is linked below where you can purchase that on Amazon, and I also teach this in a full video course as well, so that's linked down below for you as well. You can go and check out the free preview. So let's continue. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. When the party was over and our time on earth was through, I'd wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. So you could play it that way if you wanted to add that bass part in there. So if I just play all the chorus then. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. And then we're going into the next verse. This is where Lady Gaga comes in. So we just play it the same way as the first verse. Oh, lost in the words that we scream. I don't even want to do this anymore, 'cause you already know what you mean to me, and our love's the only one worth fighting for. And then it's into the pre-chorus, which is the same as previously. Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. And then into the chorus again, which is almost the same. So the only difference is that we have, which is highlighted on the screen, this extra C sharp minor 7 in the second part of the chorus. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I'd wanna then we're into this post-chorus slash solo section. So we're going to play, this makes a B minor 9. So B in the left hand and F sharp, A, C sharp. So we want to play the chord first, and then we play C sharp, D, E, and then you play that chord again, but in the left hand it's a D major 7 over E, I'm going to call it. So E and D in the left hand, and F, the same chord again in the right hand, F sharp, A, C sharp. So we play that chord, D, E. So far we have and then we have the C sharp minor. So C sharp's in the left hand, and then this time it's B, E and G sharp because the melody is this high note here. And then we play F sharp minor here. So F sharp's in the left hand, in the right hand that's A, C sharp and F sharp. And then we repeat that again. And then it does that really crazy note, and then it kicks in. So we basically do that again, but we also have that left hand lead up as well. So it's very, very similar. So we can play lower notes in the left hand if you want to, and play the left hand more often. It's up here if you want to be more accurate. So the C sharp minor, you can play the full C sharp minor, or you can just play E, G sharp and B with the C sharps in the right hand. And then we play the F sharp minor there, again because the guitar is going so C sharp, F sharp, A. So yeah, you just do that solo bit twice. So I'll just play that bit again, so from where the guitar kicks in. So this last chorus is a little bit different towards the end. So if I just play it through first, and I'll tell you when it changes. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I just wanna hold you just for a while. And die with a smile if the party was over. And then we have a C sharp 7. So that's C sharp's in the left hand, in the right hand that's G sharp, B, and this will technically be called an E sharp, but we'll just call it an F. And then F sharp minor. And then we have B major. So B's in the left hand, and then right hand is F sharp, B, D sharp. So second inversion. And then when we go into that F sharp minor into the B, we can do this again. And then ends on the B minor 7 to the D over E. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. So if I just play all of that chorus without singing first. If the So now if I just demonstrate it with vocals, remember the full chords and lyrics are linked in the description as well. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I'd wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. So just an A major 7, so D major 7, and then it ends on an A major 7. So that's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.